right, perfect. So let's go ahead and look up the definition of wisdom. All right. So wisdom is the equally of having experience of knowledge and good judgment and equality of being wise. All right. So why would you not want wisdom? Why would you put a cap on it when you finish high school? You're gonna cap yourself not learning anymore? No. When you finish college, you're just gonna cap off and be like, nope, yep, that's it. I learned as much as I can, and I'm just gonna go ahead and work. No. You should never stop learning. Never, never, never stop learning. I would say learn something once a day. Learn something once a day. I'm telling you. And guess what? I'm gonna help you with that. All right. What I've done is I placed in your other modules, which is gonna be, I have over 500 business quotes for you. I actually have over 500 credit quotes for you. I have over 500 of successful quotes for you. You just click on at least one of each one of them once a day. All right? Read those affirmations. It's going to uplift you. It's going to get your mindset rolling. It's going to keep that ball rolling, trucking. Everybody's going to go through stuff. Sometimes everything will be going great. Okay? Everything can be going great, and then something happens in your life. It's okay. Things is going to happen. That's why by you being wise, knowing this ahead of time should allow you to be able to affect you on things of when things occur, when financial issues happen. You should still be at ease. And why would you be at ease? Because you have wisdom of how you're going to be able to make yourself financially stable, be able to make yourself comfortable to be able to achieve the goals, so that way you can live financially free. All right. And just because you try so many years doesn't mean that you give up. You just continue to keep trying over and over again. So what about if you stop trying within that 10th year and that success came that 11th year? You was 1 year shy. All right. Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on the things that you want to do in life. All right. But don't do them all at once. All right. That's why you have wisdom. That's the reason why I'm giving it to you in module. If I just gave you just voila and I just gave you every single thing, then you're going to be like, what? Don't start everything at once. You have to start something, finish it, next chapter. Start it, finish, next chapter. All right. Big key word, wisdom. All right.